coming. I represent our company to wish you have a good health and happiness. Welcome you to our company at any time.
开始。
Hello everyone, I'm Rose from Zhengzhou Qiangli Amusement Factory. Now I'm in our exhibition hall. There are so many kinds of the amusement equipment in it. The new year 2024 is coming. If you have any needs about our equipment, welcome you to come. We will pick you up at any time.
开始。
Hello everyone, I'm Rose from Zhengzhou Qiangli Amusement Factory. Now I'm in our exhibition hall. There are so many kinds of amusement equipment in it. The 2024 New Year is coming. If you have any needs for the amusement equipment, free to contact with me.